Hi guys, good morning. Happy New Year. Today I'm gonna have another try on haul, a plus size try on haul. I am going to style some shorts, some denim shorts, okay? So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna use some blazers and some t-shirts and some fancy stuff, and let's see how that's gonna turn out today. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's a little gloomy in New York City today, but guess what? We're gonna make the best of it. You know, trying to get that natural light in here. You know, so I'll check back with you. All right, stay tuned. So hi guys, this is the first outfit. It's like you see the top, it has fringes and it's like a color block scheme going on with my jeans. This is the back of it. This is the front. I'll give you a closer look at the top. This is the kind of thing that makes you feel like, you know, like spinning around, twirling. You know what I'm saying, guys? So let me know what you like. Let me know how you like it. So hi guys, this is the next outfit. It is a light blazer. Animal print blazer, animal print, very light. It's a size 3X. I bought it by Dutch a long time ago. I don't know if Dutch is still even open, but you know, yeah. So I'm just showing you this blazer paired with this little black belt, my heels, and yeah, that's it. This is the back of it. Yeah, so this is the back of it. The side, the front, give a little shimmy. Hope you guys are feeling good today. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Alright, and if you haven't done yet, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Alright, come on. Alright, so hi guys, I'm back. This is my other outfit. It's like a sparkly blue, you know, my heels. I have a little belt in the waist, you know, with a little silver thing at the end. Don't be afraid to wear your shorts, girls. You know, wear your shorts. Look in the mirror, see if you like it. And if you're not that comfortable wearing it outside as yet, guess what? Practice in the mirror. Practice makes perfect. Okay? Your body is beautiful. You're plus size. And don't be afraid to be fashionable. Wear that shorts with pride, girls. Yes! So, check me out. Come true ponytails. So yes guys, this is the other look. I am crazy about animal prints. This print here, I don't know what it is too much. I don't know if it's an animal. I don't think it's an animal print though. It might be an animal print, like a tiger. So my daughter behind the camera just corrected me and told me it's a tiger. I don't know. Anyways, so this is the print, right? With my little belt around my waist. And yeah, this is the back of it. So let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. Let me know. Okay. But I'm feeling this though. I'm feeling this. You know, I could get down with this. You know? So this is another look, guys. Another like a white and black. It's actually like a peplum top. The top is by Fashion to Figure, and it's a size 2. You know. So this is it. This is the look, guys. So you see, I'm showing you different ways I dress up my shorts. It's one shorts with many different looks. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you just make the style your own. The front of the top, it has like a little lace up action going on, and I think it's just adorable. So this is the look, guys. I'm loving it. The other outfit, guys. I have my belt, my black belt with my buckle. This is like a chiffon high and low look and feel. It's like a chiffon to the back. And yeah, my shorts. And this is just it. This is just the outfit here. Okay. Now I gotta do the little walk, guys. The little walk, you know. Okay, so this is the last look, guys. It's like a sequincy top with sequins on it. It's tied at the side, a little ruched look here at the side. So I paired it with my silver belt and my silver shoes. And this is how it looks in the back. So she's letting me know what I shouldn't and what I should and shouldn't do behind the scenes. Okay, my daughter is my director and she's my camera lady. And yeah, thank you, Jazzy. So yeah, this is the end of it. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here with me. You guys are awesome. My channel is growing. Just wishing for the best and hoping for the best for the new year. I hope you guys get the desires of your heart. May you get all what you wish for, all what you want. You know, and let's just keep positive that whatever's going on in this world that is so negative to just go away. Okay? Let's protect ourselves and let's keep safe, boost our immune up. And yeah, that's just the way to go. I love you guys. Thank you for being here with me. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for looking. You guys rock. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. And if you haven't done already, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me. Okay? Let's grow. Okay, guys? Thank you.